Maximizing your potential. 3 Tips and tricks for handling challenges with confidence. Never overuse important again. Here are a few alternatives to the word important that you can use to expand your vocabulary and avoid repeating yourself. Vital, essential, crucial, necessary, key, fundamental, pivotal, significant, paramount, crucial. By using these words instead of important, you can add variety and interest to your writing, and you can help to ensure that your message is clear and effective. It's important to choose the right word for the context and audience, and to consider the connotations and implications of different words when selecting them. By expanding your vocabulary and using a range of words to convey your ideas, you can become a more confident and effective communicator. Q. Why are you leaving your current role? Never talk SHT about your previous employer. Never say, they would give me a raise. Say, I'm a fast learner, so I'm looking for more growth opportunities in my next role where I can have room to progress. Never say, the workplace is extremely toxic. Say, I'm a values-driven person, so I'm looking for a company culture that genuinely rewards collaboration and facilitates work-life balance. Never say, my boss is a micromanaging idiot. Say, I heard a lot of good things about the leadership style here, and I love the idea of being so empowered like that, being able to make such a big impact on the business. It's important to be honest and straightforward when answering this question, and to focus on the positive aspects of your decision to leave your current role. Avoid criticizing your current employer or colleagues, and instead focus on the opportunities and challenges that you are seeking in your next role. By answering the question in a positive and professional manner, you can demonstrate your commitment to your career and your willingness to take on new challenges. Professionally, say, maybe if you communicated that sooner. It is important to share information like this with the team sooner so we might mitigate these sort of issues. I am no longer growing at this company and I need more of a challenge. I'm looking to expand my skills and continue growing professionally, and it feels as though my current position is not allowing me to do that. Are there any roles upcoming projects that can offer me exposure to new challenges? I do not feel very supported by you as my manager. I would benefit from regular check-ins with you in order to gain consistent guidance. I need better tools to complete this work. In order for me to effectively work on this, I require access to insert tool here. Who shall I contact to get this enabled? Player 3 enters the game, ChatGPT. Here are a few different ways you could professionally say maybe if you communicated that sooner. It would have been helpful if that information had been communicated earlier. If that had been conveyed sooner, it might have avoided some confusion. I wish that information had been shared sooner, as it could have prevented some misunderstandings. It would have been more efficient if that had been communicated earlier. By using one of these phrases, you can convey your message in a professional and respectful manner, while also expressing your frustration or disappointment in a constructive way. It's important to communicate your concerns in a way that is respectful and avoids placing blame, as this can help to maintain positive relationships and facilitate open and honest communication. Here are a few different ways you could professionally say I am no longer growing at this company and I need more of a challenge. I have reached a point where I am no longer learning and growing in my current role, and I am looking for an opportunity that will allow me to take on new challenges and continue to develop my skills. I have enjoyed my time at this company, but I am looking for a new challenge that will offer more opportunities for growth and development. I have learned a lot at this company, but I feel that I have reached a plateau in my current role and am ready for a new challenge. I am grateful for the opportunities I have had at this company, but I am looking for a role/project or opportunity, slightly tweaked by me, that will allow me to continue to grow and learn in new ways. By using one of these phrases, you can express your desire for more challenges and opportunities in a professional and respectful manner. It's important to be honest and straightforward when discussing your career goals and aspirations, and to focus on the positive aspects of your decision to seek out new opportunities. By answering in this way, you can demonstrate your commitment to your career and your willingness to take on new challenges. It's important to handle this type of situation with care, as it can be a sensitive and potentially challenging topic to discuss. Here are a few different ways you could professionally say I do not feel very supported by you as my manager. I have been feeling like I lack sufficient guidance and assistance in my role, and I believe that better communication and support from you as my manager would help me to be more effective in my work. I have struggled to feel adequately supported in my role, and I believe that more support and guidance from you as my manager would enable me to be more successful in my work. I have not felt sufficiently supported in my role,
and I would appreciate it if we could discuss ways in which I could receive more support and guidance from you as my manager.
I have felt like I lack sufficient support in my role, and I believe that better communication and assistance from you as my manager would help me to be more successful in my work. By using one of these revised phrases, you can express your concerns in a more efficient and proficient manner, while still maintaining a professional and respectful tone. It's important to be clear and specific about your concerns, and to provide examples of how you have been feeling unsupported. By addressing the issue in a constructive and proactive way, you can help to build a stronger and more supportive relationship with your manager. I hope that this article has been a valuable resource for you, and that you have gained some useful insights and strategies that you can use to achieve success in your career or personal life. Thank you for reading and for your support. If you'd like to see more content such as this, please don't forget to follow me on Medium or LinkedIn.